Do you have a Butcher Block countertop that needs a finish? Stay tuned to this episode. The beauty of a satin finish is what we're going to be working towards. So let me tell you, this house was a flip. When the contractors installed this countertop, they just left it unfinished. Now is our opportunity to add some TLC. All right, let's start with the supplies list. I'm finally tackling a project I've been wanting to do for some time. So I've got the bottom cabinetry covered to protect it, and I've already started this process using the Varathane polyurethane. It's a water base. This one here is a crystal clear satin. You can see the difference between what I've already done there and what the natural wood looks like. All right. Okay, this sounds crazy, but after the first coat of the polyurethane has dried, something odd happens is the fibers of the wood start to raise up a little bit, enough that it's just not smooth. So what I do is I put a 400 grade sandpaper in it, and it just does wonders for the wood. It is just smooth. Woo! Smooth as can be. You don't want to slip and slide on this. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.